Hey, seventh graders, it's me, Mr. Stark. We're here. It is Monday making recordings for uh, Thursday's labs, which will be Scared Pepper Lab. I'm going to flip over to the paper. There we go. We got the Scared Pepper Lab up on the screen here. So what you'll do is you're going to need a pie tin, a plate with water and pepper, and a little bottle of soap, a drop of soap. So what it tells you that you should fill the pie tin with water, or with a plate with water, and then you should sprinkle a little bit of pepper evenly over the surface, and note what the pepper does, and then add a drop of liquid soap to the center of the pie tin, and draw a picture of what happens to the pepper in the pie tin. So pay attention to what happens there. And then there's two questions that we'll come back to after I video this happening. Okay, so we have our plate and we have a little bit of water on there. You can see it kind of moving around a little bit. And I ask you to sprinkle the pepper on the surface of the water evenly. Okay, and you don't have to use gallons and gallons and gallons of it, but you can see that it's on there. It's floating on the surface of the water. And then I want you to watch what happens when I put a drop of soap in the middle of the pepper. Boom. So there you have it. We had the pepper was floating on the surface of the water, and then once we put the soap in there, the pepper got very scared and started going to the sides of the plate. We'll be discussing later why that happens. So let's flip back to our sheet that we had, the scared pepper sheet. And so there's two questions here at the end that I want you to answer. How does the soap cause all that movement? What happens? And if you put the soap at the edge of the pie tin, what happens? So try it again and put the pepper on there, rinse all the soap off, put the new water, new pepper on there. Try it again when you put the soap on the edge of the pie tin or the plate. Okay, report your results back to me on Google Classroom. Talk to you, have fun. Talk to you soon. Bye.